Friends, good morning. In previous lecture, we discussed how internal resistance of a cell can be determined by using potentiometer. Also, we studied potential gradient. Now, today we will discuss one of the numerical based upon that fact. This numerical clears number of concepts related to potentiometer. What is the numerical? AB is a 1 meter long uniform wire of 10 ohm resistance. In given figure, AB is 1 meter wire and its resistance is 10 ohm. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. From the circuit diagram, find first potential gradient along AB. Means first we would like to determine the potential gradient. As you know that potential gradient can be defined as potential gradient can be defined as is equal to K is equal to potential difference across AB. Here we will write like this: potential difference across AB upon length of AB. It means that first our duty is that find out the potential difference across AB. Already we are familiar with that is the length 1 meter. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. Friends, as you know that in potentiometer, this is main source, or you may say the auxiliary battery, due to which current, let us consider here current I flows through this wire. Now here this wire of 10 ohm resistor and this 15 ohm resistor, it is in series. Hence equivalent resistance of this closed loop is R equivalent is equal to this 10 ohm of wire AB plus this 15 ohm, that is nothing but 25 ohm, is the total resistance of the circuit. While this is a 2 volt, from this we will determine the current, and once we know the current, then the resistance of this into current, we will determine the potential difference across this AB. Hence, let we have current I is equal to 2 volt, this potential, total potential, upon R equivalent, that is 2 upon this 25. This is nothing but the current flowing through this circuit. If you divide it, it is very simple. It is just like that of the, you may say, 0.08 ampere. By solving this, it is just leads to this one. Now, when by simple division method, now this is the current. As we know that this wire is of 10 ohm resistance, hence potential difference across AB is equal to, according to Ohm's law, that is current into resistance of wire. What is the current? Current is 0.08 ampere into its resistance, that is a 10. Hence potential difference is 0.8 volt. This is nothing but the potential difference across this wire. Now it is quite easy to us to determine potential gradient. Hence, by using the values in this equation, we reach to the point that K is equal to potential difference across AB, that is 0.8 upon total length of AB, that is 1 meter. It means that 100 centimeter. Hence, we can write now this is volt, this is a centimeter. Hence, this is just, we can write now this is 0.8 into 10 raised to minus 2 whole centimeter inverse. This is nothing but the potential gradient across this wire, or you may say along this wire. Now, just we will write now the potential gradient is equal to 0.8 into 10 raised to minus 2 whole per centimeter or whole centimeter inverse. Now, next point, determine that is the length AO. From this to this length AO. when galvanometer shows no deflection. Friends, please keep in mind very well. Now, actually, we would like to find out this length AO. Actually, when this jockey is touched to this point, this galvanometer shows no deflection. It means that now the potential difference across this 0.3 ohm resistor is equal to potential difference across this AO. Then and then it is possible that galvanometer shows no deflection. Friends, first we will determine the potential difference across this 0.3 ohm resistance. Then the same resistance is across AO. Already we are familiar with that of the potential gradient. Now for AB length we are having that value 0.8 volt. From that we are unable to determine that is the length of this. Now let us come to the point. Now let us consider that this galvanometer is not touched to that of the O. At that time what happened? This circuit is completely closed. Current flowing through this battery through 1.2 ohm resistor, again then 0.3 ohm resistors, and this circuit is get completed. Our duty is that to determine the potential difference across this 0.3 ohm resistor. For that purpose, I is required. For I, we will determine the simple by using Ohm's law, that is total resistance. Now this is the potential difference. This potential difference upon this total resistance. Hence, now to determine length AO, okay. Then for current here, that is the total potential is 1.5 upon, that is the total resistance, that is 1.2 plus 0.3 is equal to 1.5 upon, this one also leads to 1.5, that is 1 ampere. This 1 ampere is the amount of current flowing through this circuit. Now, our duty is that to find the potential difference across this resistor, 0.3 ohm resistor. Hence, potential difference across 0.3 ohm resistor is equal to, that is I, means 1 ampere current, into resistance, that is 0.3 ohm resistance. Hence, this leads to, that is 0.3 volt. 0.3 volt. This is nothing but the potential difference across this. The same potential difference is across AO. Hence, we can write that the potential difference across AO is 0.3 volt. Now friends, now we will adopt very simple mathematics, that we are familiar with that one now, that AB is the wire across which there is the 0.8 volt, while that of the length is 100 centimeter. Listen carefully, very simple. When by simple mathematics we will determine that one now. For 0.8 volt, it is a 100 centimeter. Because from previous calculations we got it, that is the potential difference across it is 0.8. Now for 0.8, what is the length? 100 centimeter. Let us consider we have, that is the 0.3. Hence 0.3 simple mathematics, 0.3 is equal to, let us consider x. Hence we will get it, x into 0.8 is equal to 0.3 into, that is the 100. Hence we can write x is equal to 0.3 into 100 upon 0.8, that is 300 upon 8. It leads to 8 3s are 24, 6 is left, that is 67. Again it is 4, that is 5. Hence it is clear that the length AO is 37.5 centimeter.